Hi. When I think about how far we've come, it blows my mind. So many times I tried to walk away, but your conviction never wavered. I gave you all the excuses I could come up with as to why we wouldn't work together. Your responses remained the same as you so often told me. Vanessa, I'm not letting you go that easily. Posição, okay? You're my last stop. The last time I tried telling you that we were not going to work, you told me the union between me and you is a union that God would be proud of. The nerve. You went low. That night when I was praying, I even complained to God about you. Can you believe he tried to use you as a weapon to get with me? Little did I know God must have been laughing that night, because look at where we are now. With every obstacle presented to you, you have showed me that there was nothing we cannot overcome together. And I appreciate you for that. Today I stand before you so completely in love with you. Look at God's work, babe. I'm not gonna cry. You are compassionate, loving, funny, so humble. I'm very grateful for your parents for shaping you into the man that you are today. People fall in love every day, but it's not every day that people experience what it feels like to be loved. And I get to experience that with you. You make me feel cherished and loved every single day. I will weather the storm with you. I will be your strength when you feel weak. I'll whisper encouraging truth in your ears when you want to give up. I will be by your side to celebrate your successes and victories, but most of all, I will love your son as if he was my own. I love you.
Wow. Trust me, I had to hold him back, okay? Premièrement, j'aimerais remercier le Seigneur pour la santé, la famille, et bien sûr pour la femme qu'il m'a réservée. Bon, petit monsieur, ça va me dire là. Fait jackpot, fait goulot. C'est tellement naturel pour me dire, no, I love you. Que pas qu'au cas quoi, c'est tout pour vous. You are my blessing, you are my rock. And you're not just my blessing and rock, but you are that plus so much more to so many people whose lives are forever touched by your kindness and devotion. You are the best gift God could have ever given me after having given me Gabi 10 years ago. I guess it's a cycle. Bébé, merci pour vous. Et puis merci pour toute belle famille ça que moi viens adopter tellement facilement. Fabi l'excentrique. Mayu, that sweet boy who just won't stay still. And whom I've grown so much affection for. Kuka, la marraine de Tuseki. Papi Pierrot, Mamie Mamout, Pidou, Mamie Yvose, tous les cousins et cousines, et Tati et Tonton. I love you guys. Now my own family. Mamie, Papi, Melo, JP, Tilion, Tishin, les KLM, Noah et Loulou. Et bien sûr notre cher petit Gabi qui nous manque énormément aujourd'hui. Imagine the pride I feel knowing that I brought them that blessing into their lives. You're my prize, baby. And I would never let you slip away. Although you tried really hard to escape a couple of times. But I had already implanted my claws of tenderness and cuteness. It was too late. Let me remove that rosary. And you remember that time when I told you, you are my last stop, Vanessa? I was very serious. Now you know. And you already know the future, baby. It's super bright for us and the family we will get to build. It's only a matter of time before other people start to appreciate what you've absolutely nailed, the true value of who I really am and how far my career will take us, so that we may together as a team build castles and empires. I have faith in us, I have faith in you, I have faith in me. I trust my vision, and it has never faded away, although it might have just changed textures and colors along the way, but growing nonetheless. My vision for my family, my community, my country, and for the world will in great part become reality thanks to the confidence that you give me by edifying me every chance you get. I love you, I'm happy, and I promise to cherish you with each breath that God gives me for the rest of my life. To all our guests, family, and friends, some of you have flown all the way from I don't know where in such weird times with the COVID situation, and I'm very grateful for you. Today wouldn't be so special without your presence, but today the special person is you, my love. And I will cite a little poem I wrote a couple of months ago while I was with Gabi in Montreal. I found the one to hold me down, to be my lady, to wear the crown. I found the one to make me whole again. That special one, when it gets loud, she keeps me grounded, she makes me smile. Baby, that special one is you. Down on my knee, I'm asking you. Marry me. Baby, you're my rock. You're my shelter. You're my soulmate. You're my lover. You're my inspiration. And last but not least, you're my mic drop.
MiKaBen, est-ce que tu acceptes de prendre Vanessa pour légitime épouse?
Oui.
Est-ce que tu t'engages à aimer cette femme, la chérir, la tolérer, la dorloter et lui être fidèle dans les meilleurs et les pires moments de la vie jusqu'à la fin de vos jours?
Absolument.
À cela, non. Vanessa, acceptes-tu aussi de prendre MiKaBen pour légitime époux?
Oui.
Tu t'engages aussi à aimer cet homme, God le pouvoir, le chérir, le tolérer, le dorloter, le gâter et lui être fidèle dans les meilleurs et les pires moments de la vie jusqu'à ce que Dieu vous sépare?
Oui.
À cela, non. En vertu des pouvoirs qui me sont conférés par l'État haïtien, je vous déclare mari et femme. Pour vivre, échanger votre